Hey guys, this is Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be talking about that clicking sound you keep hearing when you're kicking your CRF250R. Here we're working on a 2014 model, and when you kick it, you're going to hear this sound. Ready? Hear that? Do it again. Alright. So let me explain what's going on here. So we have our decompression lever. Alright, so we got the decompression lever that's on the side right here. Alright, and then it activates that little pin right there. So right now when it's down, it's going to activate your decompression. When you start it, okay, this flings out and you don't have anything there. So what the sound that you're hearing is that when the engine rotates, that's going to lift up the exhaust, right, the rocker, so it opens up your exhaust valves a little bit. And then as soon as you pass that, it's the sound of this roller right here hitting the cam again. Okay, watch. All right, so we're just about to, there we go. Just about to pop it past now. You ready? Watch it. Boom. Okay, let's do it again. All right, that's the sound that you're hearing. All right, so don't be alarmed when you hear that. It's a normal sound. It's just the sound of the auto decompression lever working. If you're getting other sounds when the bike is running, it's something different. This is just when you're kickstarting it slowly, you're going to hear that. The faster you kick it, the quicker and louder it's going to be, because it'll just be dropping down onto the cam a little faster. But guys, that's all there is to it. I just wanted to quickly explain what that sound was, because I read a lot of questions and stuff about that. About what's this clicking sound when I'm kickstarting it. That's all it is. Nothing to be alarmed about. Real simple. It's the auto decompression lever working. All right, guys. Until next time, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for further notifications. This is Tepco Cycle Repair.